Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the PARTPHONER brand Candelabra light bulbs. These are LED E12 light bulbs. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying.
All right, so as we get these open, have some instruction info. They come well packaged. Really nice. Hopefully you can read that. And so we'll tell you it's nicely packaged and convenient, 6-pack. So we'll show you what they look like in. So I'm comparing these with a chandelier intentionally. It's different colors, everything. I just want to show you the difference in size and then the lighting, how it looks. So I'm obviously not going to use these in a chandelier. I just want to kind of show you them as a way to kind of understand the difference. I'm also going to so the lighting's great, the size is great. I just won't be using them in a chandelier. And I want to show you the difference in the bulb at the bottom as well. So as mentioned, I wanted to just show the difference here for a reason. I think they're a great bulb, and I do love that they're not dimmable, first of all, so be aware of that. And I think they're great for like lamps and stuff like that. I think some people will use them for chandeliers. I won't be using them specifically for chandeliers. I bought them to be used in a lamp. And the reason being for me is I like to have the clear look as opposed to something like this. This does a really nice job, and this has a different type of glow. But it also, I wanted to show you the base, the difference. So when you screw this in, most things will be showing here. This one is going to be showing this little silver part. So keep that as a factor and keep this as a factor as well. Does it serve its purpose for me? Absolutely. So totally worth buying in my scenario. But be aware that if you're going to be using these in a chandelier, they will look a little different. But if you're going to be using them on a floor lamp or something like that, anywhere that like night lights or something, can certainly be a very useful bulb, and definitely worth buying. Just wanted to share this as a review to give you some insight on how to use this best. So hopefully this helps, and thanks for watching.